Here's what happens to your body if you plank for 5 minutes. Every day, the plank is a straightforward and versatile exercise that doesn't require any special gear. All you need is the floor, your body, and just a few minutes of your day. The effectiveness of this exercise really stands out. So, what benefits can you expect if you start planking daily? In this video, I'll delve into that topic, so stick around until the end. There's a lot of fascinating information on the way. One of the primary advantages of the plank is its ability to strengthen your core muscles. Your core includes a group of muscles that support your internal organs, such as the abdominal muscles, obliques, and erector spinae. If your core muscles are weak, you might face an increased risk of developing abdominal hernias. Incorporating planks into your routine can help build strong core muscles and thus lower that risk. The plank also excels in developing back muscles. One significant benefit is that it enhances back strength without putting you at high risk for injuries. Unlike exercises such as deadlifts, which are effective but require precise form to avoid injury, planking is much safer. Regular planking can fortify both your upper and lower back muscles, giving you a strong back that not only enhances your appearance, but also helps prevent back pain, which often results from weakness in these muscles. Furthermore, practicing planks contributes to better posture. Good posture is not only a sign of confidence, but also contributes to attractiveness, often being one of the first aspects others notice. Proper alignment is vital for looking fit, and planking helps by strengthening core and upper back muscles, as well as the neck and shoulders, which are key to maintaining good posture. With a consistent planking routine, you can expect to see noticeable improvements in your posture in just a month. Additionally, planking can rev up your metabolism. When performed regularly, this exercise can improve your metabolic rate, which assists with weight loss. As you burn more calories and work on your abdominal muscles at the same time, you might even notice that six-pack abs become visible in about a month due to these compounded effects. Another benefit of planking is how it enhances balance and coordination. The exercise effectively engages your stabilizer muscles, which are smaller muscles crucial for maintaining balance. A well-developed sense of balance is essential not only in sports, but also in daily life. You may be curious about how long to hold a plank. The recommended duration can vary based on your fitness level. For those just starting, holding a plank for 15 to 30 seconds is advisable. Prioritizing proper form is vital, so it's better to focus on technique rather than duration. Research indicates that trying to hold a plank for as long as possible isn't the healthiest method. Instead, it's more beneficial to perform several sets. Hold the plank for a few minutes while ensuring proper posture. Take a break for 1 to 2 minutes and then repeat. When weighing the pros and cons of planking, the benefits are plain to see. It's easy to perform, accessible, strengthens a variety of muscle groups, supports good posture, and can be done almost anywhere. However, there are some downsides. Poor technique can lead to excess strain on the spine, lower back, and shoulders. That's why I stress the importance of maintaining the correct form over how long you can hold the plank. Additionally, overdoing this exercise may raise blood pressure, so it's advisable to perform multiple sets with sufficient rest to prevent fatigue. There are numerous plank variations, but for beginners, I'll focus on the classic version. Start in a push-up position, bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle, and shift your weight to your forearms, ensuring that your body forms a straight line. Engage your core to keep all muscles activated. Here are several critical points regarding plank technique. Keep your head and neck relaxed, position your arms straight in front of you or crossed, and make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders to avoid straining. Your shoulders should be aligned perpendicular to the ground, and you must maintain a straight lower back without arching or overextending it. Breathe deeply and steadily throughout. It's also important to note certain contraindications for planking. Pregnant women, individuals with current back injuries, hernias, or issues with elbows, shoulders, wrists, or ankles, as well as those who are predisposed to high blood pressure, should avoid this exercise. I'd love to know your experiences. How often do you incorporate planking into your routine? Or are you just starting out with this exercise? Please share your thoughts in the comments. I'm eager to read your responses. Also, make sure to check out more videos on my channel. The links are on your screen now. If you like this video, consider sharing it, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. See you soon.